Hello friends, welcome to TrendTechGuides. Today I will show you how to mirror text in Canva. Before starting, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. So let's start. First of all, let's see this text, mirror text on Canva. Then we don't have any option on Canva to directly mirror this image. For this, first of all, download this image by going to share, then download, and click here transparent background. Simply download this image. Once the download is complete, please upload this image back to Canva workspace. Then you can see here we have two images, one text and other is image. Over here we can see here is flip. Click on flip, then here is flip vertical. In this way you can mirror your text on Canva. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.